Hi viewers, welcome back to Siri Algorithms YouTube channel. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video, I am going to show you a small program traffic violation using nested conditions in Python. So before going to show you the code, let me explain a small scenario. In New Delhi, they follow odd-even rule, means the private vehicles who are registered the number plate ending with odd number, they are only allowed on the on-road Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays. And who are in even numbers, they are allowed only in the Tuesdays, Thursdays and Saturdays. So using this scenario, I am going to show you a small program. Please walk through with me. Let me show you the code. So let me open the Jupyter notebook first. Please wait. So here is the environment. First I am going to take a dictionary. Even number. Even numbers only in Tuesdays, Thursday, Saturday. Odd number. Key is the odd number and values are Monday, Wednesday, Friday. So let me write the code. First we are going to collect the information from the end user today. Input of enter the weekday name. Okay, we are collecting the information from the end user. Now, if today in variable is dict1, key I am accessing, even number, so here what I am doing, I just taken the dictionary information and collecting the information from the end user. He is going to enter the weekday name. If the name what the user enter, if that name in the dictionary of even number, that means even number values is today, Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday. So if it is there, I am going to write like a number plate is equal to int of input of enter the last 4 digits of enter the last 4 digits of number plate. So they are going to enter the last 4 digits of the number plate. If number plate divided by 2, the modulus is equal to 0. Print of have a safe and happy journey. Have a safe and happy journey. Else print of today only even cars. Even cars only. Even cars only. Traffic violation. You will be fine amount 1000 rupees. So else number plate. If in case the number plate is odd number, condition I am going to write. If number plate modulus divided by 2 and modulus is not equal to 0, that means it's an odd number. So print of have a safe and happy journey. Else print of odd number cars only. Traffic violation. Fine amount 1000 rupees. So let me explain the code first. So here what I am doing, I am collecting the end user information. That means they are going to enter the weekday name. If that is in the even number, the weekday is a even number, then they are going to receive like a have a safe journey and safe and happy journey. If it is not an even number, then they are going to receive the fine amount 1000 rupees. If it is a odd number, they are not going to find anything. But if it is not an odd number, they are going to receive the fine amount 1000 rupees. So let me execute the code first. So enter the weekday name. For example, Monday. Enter the last digit, last 4 digits of the number 3355. You can see have a safe and happy journey. What it means. So here I am collecting the information. It is Monday. So Monday it comes into the odd number. That means Monday, Wednesday and Friday, the number plate registered with the odd number, they are allowed onto the on road. That's why it is Monday. So the Monday I entered like a number plate is 3355. When you divided with 2, the modulus is not equal to 0. It is like a 1, the remainder. That's why have a safe and happy journey. For example, you can see if I entered like a Monday, Monday is a odd number. You can see Monday is a odd number cars only allowed. In case if I enter like a 2244, you can see today odd number cars only, traffic violation, fine amount is 1000 rupees. Let me show you. Maybe take some other day, maybe it's Thursday. You can take like a Thursday is a even number. So for example, if I enter 5577, you can say even cars only. That means Thursday only even number registered cars only allowed. But the number plate is ending with the 5577 means when you divide with the 2, the modulus is not equal to 0. It is like a, it is not equal to 0. That means it is a odd number car. So that is not allowed in the Thursdays. So they are going to receive the fine amount 1000 rupees. Traffic violation. Let's take one more day. Maybe Friday. Friday is a odd number cars allowed. In case if you take like a 6688, you can see odd number cars only on Friday, but the registered number is even number. That's why traffic violation fine amount is 1000 rupees. So thank you. See you in next video. In next video, I'm going to explain about the Python operators. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you. See you in next video.